Cebu Landmasters Incorporated opens its first hotel project in Cebu. The firm's 180 service residence managed by the Ascott Limited marks its expansion in the booming hotel industry.
The start of a big thing for us. It is in partnership with Ascott Group, which will be a journey of sorts because there will be 3 more Ascott hotels that we are joining together. Our expertise or our experience, and this will be here principally in Cebu and some key cities in Visayas and Mindanao.
Citadin Cebu is Ascott's first in the southern Philippines.
Hospitality is the name of the game as far as real estate is concerned, and we in Cebu know very well that this is the way to go.
Envisioned to be homey and cozy all at once, Citadin Cebu combines the convenience of a contemporary home and the luxury of a hotel. CLI bringing Ascott to Cebu comes at a time when the southern tourist hub is seeing a thriving growth of new hotel projects, both by local and national developers.
Simultaneous is Ascott's fastest growing brand, while Cebu Landmaster has risen to become one of the leading developers in the Visayas and Mindanao region.
Citadin Cebu is located within the Baseline Center in Cebu's Midtown area.
The two companies share the same vision and commitment, providing quality accommodation, quality development, and customer service.
If you want to enjoy both luxury and convenience, head straight to Citadin Cebu or check their Facebook page. For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.